Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Sharing with you a short yoga practice that you can do in the evening, closer to your bedtime, to unwind and prepare yourself for a good night's sleep. So let's start our practice. Sit in a cross-legged position, how I'm sitting, or you can take one leg out. Sit straight, relax your hands on your knees and just close your eyes for a few seconds. Soften your shoulders. Sit straight, relax your whole body. And just settle in your thoughts, whatever is on your mind from your day to day. If you can just take it at the back of your mind, just keep this time for yourself, for your well-being, taking your mind away from everything and just building the connection with yourself through your breath. So let's take 3 deep breaths together. So breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your nose. Exhalation, be slower and longer. Let's do 2 more times. Breathe in through your nose, take a deep breath in. And breathe out, exhale longer and slower. Through your nose. 1 more. Breathe in everything positive you want to just breathe in from your day to day. Breathe in. And breathe out to let go of anything that has not served you well today. Breathe out. Take a pause, and then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. And let's get into butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Joining your feet together, you can have more space if that's more comfortable for you, or get it closer, okay? And you're going to take your arms up, breathe in, lengthen your spine, breathe out, fold forward. Just rest your hand wherever it lands comfortably. Relax your neck. I'm going to show you the side view so you can see. Just taking your arms forward as far as your lower back is allowing you right now. Relax your neck and shoulders. Stretch your arms forward. Releasing any stress that would have built in your hips with a long day of sitting. Breathe. Take 1 more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly take your hands in and gently swing your knees up and down like this. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently stop swinging and we're going to get into twist now. Okay, so from here I'm going to show you the side view again now. You are going to extend your left leg, take your right leg over left leg, okay, and take your left arm up, breathe in, breathe out, hug your right leg in with your left arm, take your right hand back, draw your right shoulder back, flex your toes for your left foot, sit long, lifting the crown of your head, releasing those tight hips. And then you slowly untwist, switch side, left leg over right leg, ground your left foot, sit straight, take your right arm up, breathe in, breathe out, hug your left leg in with your right arm, take your left hand back, draw your left shoulder back, breathe. Flex your toes for your right foot, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and come in cross-legged position. Now rest your palms back behind your hips like this. Fingers are pointing forward, fingers wide open. Gently press into your palms and lift your heart. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. Only if you feel comfortable, you can lift your hips up, ground your knees, push your chest forward. Keep breathing. And then you slowly rest your hips back on the mat. And from here we come on all 4 position. and we are going to take a moment to release our wrist. So just take your palms up, fingers are pointing in, and the same with your other hand. So both your palms are like this, facing up, okay? And you try to extend your arms. And then you gently swing side to side. So this is to release the tension in your wrist. If you've had a long day of typing, this will help you release your wrist. And then you slowly rest your palms down, facing down, fingers pointing forward, fingers are wide open, knees are underneath your hips, knees hip width apart, wrist shoulder width apart. We are going to do now cat and cow. So cat and cow is really good for releasing any tension from your lower back and your spine. Okay, so drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, look at your belly button. One more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Stay here, loosen up your neck. And then you gently get your spine to neutral position. And from here we will do thread the needle. That will help you release the tension from your shoulders and your upper body. So lift your left arm up, open your body to the left. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slide your left hand down. Rest your left shoulder on the mat. Then your head on the mat. Extend your right arm forward. Shift your weight slightly to the left. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your right hand in, press into your right palm, take your left arm back on the mat. Switch side, open your body to the right, take your right arm up, breathe in. Breathe out, slide your right head down, rest your right shoulder on the mat, then your head on the mat. Extend your left arm forward, breathe. Stay here. Stay here for one more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly take your hands in. Press into your left palm. Take your right arm back on the mat. Coming in all four position again. From here, we're going to go in downward dog. So tuck your toes. Press into your palms. Open your fingers wide. Knees up, hips up. Push your hips back. Push your chest towards your legs. Widen your collarbone. Relax your neck. Breathe. On your next exhalation, gently rest your knees down, and from here we're going to get into Cobra pose. So extend your legs back and come on your forearms. So this will take care of any stress that would have built in your lower back. Elbows underneath your shoulders, fingers are wide open, elbows closer to your body. Press into your palms, lift your heart, relax your shoulders, breathe. Stay here. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you slowly come on your right elbow, resting your head on your right palm. Your left leg is up. Right leg is down. Support your body weight with the help of your left palm in front of your chest. Extend your legs. Push your heels out. Resting Buddha pose. Breathe. Close your eyes if you feel like. And then on your next exhalation, lift your left leg up. Okay. Now bend your left leg and see wherever you can hold it from. Maybe your toes, maybe your ankle, maybe your shin. Okay, don't worry where you hold it from. Try to get maximum length, whatever it is. Okay, you might roll forward. So draw your belly button in, form up your abdomen. Breathe. Stay here. If you feel like bending your right leg, you can do that as well. So listen to your body. You can modify this pose according to yourself. Breathe. Get a nice stretch at the back of your legs. Get your left leg closer to your body. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your left leg. Release slowly. And we switch side now. So coming on the other side. Rest your left elbow down. Rest your head on the left palm. Extend your legs. Right hand in front. Push your heels out. Breathe. Close your eyes if you feel like. Then on your next exhalation, lift your right leg up. Bend it. Hold it from wherever you can. Maybe your toes, maybe your ankle, maybe your shin. Get it closer to your body. Get a nice stretch at the back of your right leg. Breathe. Keep pressing into the left foot. Stay here. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your right leg. Release slowly. With the help of your hands, slowly lift up. And from here, we go in seated forward fold. So stretch your legs forward like this in Dandasana. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Fold forward. Rest your hands wherever it lands. Stretching your back. Feel free to bend your legs. Fold forward. Curl your toes in. Breathe. On your next exhalation, gently take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Arms down. Bend your legs. Coming in cross-legged position, Sukhasana. And we end the practice with Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. It's a pranayama breathing practice that will help you calm, relax and release any tension or anxiety that would have built from your day-to-day. And help you prepare for a good sleep as well. So sit straight. Take your right hand, right thumb and pinky finger out. Rest the right thumb on the right side of your nostril. Breathing in through the left. Close the left. Breathe out through your right. Continue. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Breathe in right. Breathe out left. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. Release your right hand. Rest it on your knees. Sit quietly for a few seconds. Just closing your eyes. Just observing everything you feel down. Just letting go of anything you want to let go from your day-to-day. Creating a quiet space within yourself where you can just relax, breathe. And then we slowly come towards the end of the practice, gently taking your hands at the heart center. Breathe in, breathe out. Gently going forward. Namaste. So we are done with our practice for today. I hope you enjoyed this practice and you're feeling relaxed and calmer. Have a great good night's sleep. I hope to see you again. Thank you so much. Namaste.